Good evening, one and all present over here. A warm welcome to all participants and delegates on behalf of DKIF. We all are thrilled to have you for this enlightening session. Your presence will enrich our discussions and contributes to the collective pursuit of quality education. As we all are aware that DKIF is going to host an international conference in the month of May on Quality Education 2024 to showcase DKIF's commitments on global scale. So it's a great opportunity to share our insights and exchange ideas on global level. As an extended part of that international conference, today we have Dr. Asadi Srinivasulu to deliver a talk on data science. Let me introduce with sir. Dr. Asadi Srinivasulu has pursued his doctorate from JNTUA, Anantnagar, India. He is currently pursuing his double PhD in data science at Indian Institute of Information Technology, Allahabad. He is having around 21 years of vast experience in teaching and industrial sector. He is also associated with several well-known publishers like Springer, Nature, Elsevier, World Journal of Engineering, as a reviewer and as well as editor also. His area of interest include data mining, robotics, machine learning, cloud computing, software engineering, etc. He is professional member of several national as well as international organizations. Presently, he is working as visiting professor at the University of Newcastle, Australia. I am sure that all attendees will be looking forward to gaining knowledge from his expertise. Let's welcome Dr. Asadu Srinivasulu and make this a memorable and insightful experience together. Let's welcome our today's speaker, Asadi Srinivasulu, sir.
Thank you, madam, for nice introduction. A warm welcome for all the participants from India and Sri Lanka. And this is great privilege to have a session on data science, how it is going to help us to develop quality education in collaboration with the International Association for Quality Education and as well as DKIF and Preschool Unit Department of Education, Western Province, Sri Lanka. So today's topic is data science. And what are the applications I'm going to demonstrate and how it is useful for the society. And for a demonstration, I'm using artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning techniques on various real-time applications such as healthcare data analytics, stock market analysis, and traffic data analysis, weather forecasting, whatnot. Wherever data is there, we are developing various database applications. So, madam explained already, this is my background. And these are my research interest. Right now, I'm working on groundwater data of Australian government data. And I'm finding the pollutants, particularly PFAS, by using machine and deep learning techniques. And these are my research interests like data science, artificial intelligence, machine and deep learning, cyber security, and health data analytics. Last 1 year, I'm studying and pursuing my career in the water quality and pollution control, real-time applications, environmental science and chemistry. A corporate trainer last 4 years, 2020, I have started on various contemporary technologies like artificial intelligence, data mining, data science, machine learning and deep learning, cyber security, Internet of Things, blockchain technology, all the contemporary technologies I am explaining with the practical sessions. What is happening within 60 seconds? Can anyone guess how many users are connected through internet? Can you imagine? Huge volume of data we are seeing per day. and 6,94,444 hours watched in the Netflix, 18 million text sent, and 1.8 million emails sent. That means how many servers are required to store huge volume of data? That's why we are moving towards cloud computing. Cloud computing is nothing but internet-based technology. The backbone of cloud computing is data center. Data center is nothing but the interconnection between the high computing, collection of high computing servers at one place is called a data center. And virtualization plays vital role in cloud computing environment. So virtualization is nothing but it is the ability to perform multiple tasks in a single system with help of virtualization technologies like VMware, hypervisor, then virtual-iron. Why I am explaining all these? Because through internet, how many number of participants, how many number of users connected within 60 seconds? I would like to know statistics. Okay, so internet is a network of networks. Network is an interconnection between the computers in the fashion of local area network, wide area network, metropolitan area network. And internet is developed by Bold Bernard Newman, and the World Wide Web developed by Tim Berners-Lee, and email is developed by Rhett Linson. So why I am explaining all sort of jargon of IT. So within 60 seconds, how many users I would like to know. Now I'm going to give you URL, uniform resource locator like www.internetlivestats.com. Okay, so by using this URL, we come to know how many number of users right now connected within 60 seconds. Can you imagine? Can you read this number? How many users are connected within 60 seconds? 5,306,169,641 internet users in the world right now connected. Total number of websites opened, email sent today. Can you imagine this a huge number? That means within 60 seconds through internet, how many users are connected? I would like to know the statistics of internetlivestats.com. So same thing I have incorporated in this internetlivestats.com. So number of users are increasing. That means automatically the data center size also increases. Means infrastructure of a data center. That means Python programming, probability and statistics, data structures and algorithms, database and data warehousing, artificial intelligence, data mining, natural language processing, that is called NLP, big data technologies, artificial neural networks, machine learning, deep learning, augmented reality and virtual reality. And these are the case studies and business applications recently I have executed and published in various reputed journals like groundwater and climate change data analysis using AI, ML and DL techniques, COVID-19 and Omicron virus prediction and detection using artificial intelligence, machine learning and deep learning techniques, Ebola virus prediction and detection using AI, ML and DL techniques, prostate, breast, skin and lung cancer prediction detection using artificial intelligence, machine learning and deep learning techniques. So these are the various applications like finance, e-commerce, travel, healthcare, energy, gaming. How we can use this artificial intelligence techniques, statistical techniques, machine and deep learning techniques going to perform classification, clustering, association rule mining, outlier detection, whatnot. There are various recommender engine techniques are available in order to predict and detect applications. So, and before going to my topic data science, how it is going to help us to develop a curriculum of quality education in order to maintain in India and Sri Lanka with IAF EQ, International Association for Education Quality. So in order to maintain a very good syllabus, how we are using contemporary technologies like artificial intelligence, data science, machine and deep learning techniques. So before going to my topic, if you press capital A in the keyboard, system cannot understand. Why? Internally, it converts into ASCII format. ASCII stands for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Capital A value is 65. If you divide it by 2, we are getting binary equivalent number is 100001. So system internally does this internal calculation within fraction of seconds. It is releasing, oh, you have pressed capital A. So like that, so system understands only binary language. 1 bit is equal to 0 or 1. 4 bits is equal to 1 nibble. 8 bits is equal to 1 byte. 4 bytes is equal to 1 word. 4 words equal to 1024 bytes. 1024 bytes equal to 1 kilobytes. 1024 kilobytes is 1 megabytes. 1024 megabytes is equal to 1 gigabytes. 1024 gigabytes is equal to 1 terabytes. 1024 terabytes equal to 1 petabytes. 1024 petabytes is equal to 1 hexabyte. 1024 hexabyte is equal to 1 octabyte. 1024 octabyte is equal to 1 zettabyte. 1024 zettabyte is equal to 1 yottabyte. Hi, I'm Robo. My speed is 1 terabytes and my memory is 1 zettabyte. Before that Robo movie, we don't know the terminology is there or not. After seeing that Robo movie, we came to know, oh, there is a measurement of the data in databases. We are storing huge volume of data in the system, server, and data center. Yesterday night, I have searched in the Google, is there any other terminologies presented? Yes, there are 2 more terminologies presented. That is 1024 yottabyte is equal to 1 brontobyte. 1024 brontobyte is equal to 1 geobyte. Not JIO geobyte. It is a GEO geobyte. 1024 geobyte is equal to infinity. This is the way we are measuring the data in data science. In the same manner, if you want to see the math, if you want to see the mathematical terminology, measurement, 1 kilobyte is 10 power 3, megabyte is 10 power 6, gigabyte is 10 power 9, terabyte is 10 power 12, and petabyte is 10 power 15, hexabyte is 10 power 18, and zettabyte is 10 power 21, yottabyte is 10 power 24, brontobyte is 10 power 27, geobyte is 10 power 30. This is the way we are measuring the data in data science. And if you see, so in first topic, I'm going to cover fundamentals of data science. What are the components of data science, workflow of data science tools and techniques, and what are the data analytics using statistical methods like linear regression, nonlinear regression, logistic regression, and a few more probabilistic methods, and data analytics using AI techniques and GANs, neural networks, statistics, and deep learning techniques involved in the AI techniques. Again, data analytics using data mining techniques like classification, clustering, association rule mining, outlier detection, etc.
Okay.
Data analytics using ANN technique, and data analytics using machine learning techniques, data analytics using deep learning techniques. So in order to implement real-time applications of data science, AI, ML, and DL applications, I'm going to use Python programming instead of Java. Why I'm choosing Python? There are a rich number of libraries presented in the in Python programming and easy to code and easy syntax. And there are number of packages are available. That means libraries are presented. There are two parts in Python: core Python and advanced Python programming. In core Python programming, we can see the variables, data types, mathematical operations, operator precedence, string operations, functions, conditional statements, classes and objects, and data types like data structures, collections like arrays, sets, tuples, lists, and dictionaries, and followed with the loop statements, file operations, and exceptions. So we can introduce the Python programming from 6th class to 12th class without any problem. It's easy to introduce the Python programming in order to in order to maintain for quality education, we can introduce this core Python programming for 6th class to intermediate, and I mean +1, +2. And if you want to develop any real-time applications, go for advanced Python programming like NumPy. NumPy is nothing but numeric Python, SciPy, scientific Python, Pandas, Scikit-learn, Matplotlib, Piano, TensorFlow, Keras, and PyTorch. So these various libraries we are using in order to develop various applications. So these are the statistics and probability techniques like descriptive statistics, probability distribution, statistical inference, regression analysis, statistical modeling, Bayesian statistics, sampling methods, time series analysis, multivariate analysis, experimental design. In order to perform the data analysis, we are using various techniques under statistics. So if you want to execute with time efficiency and which algorithm gives us efficient in the perspective of time complexity and space complexity by using data structures and algorithms. Data structures is nothing but a systematic way of organizing data, representing data, and accessing the data in the fashion of linear and non-linear data structures. Linear data structures like arrays, stacks, queues, linked list, and non-linear data structures like trees and graphs. And there are 4 approaches we are using under data structures and algorithms like divide and conquer approach, greedy approach, dynamic programming, and branch and bound. So then if we want to perform any database related applications, we can use 2 types of database languages like relational databases and non-relational databases. Relational databases uses syntax, relation, tuple based on syntax and table relation. We are creating the tables. Collection of tables is called database. With help of SQL, MySQL, Teradata, DB2, MS Access, we are creating relational databases. So I have unstructured data like audio, video, text, graphics, animation. So now I'm using non-relational database tools like Mongo database, Hive, HBase, Zookeeper, Woozy, Cassandra, etc. So these are the various topics we are discussing under database management system. We can introduce this subject database management system for 8th, 9th, 10th grade and 11th and 12th students. In order to maintain quality education, we need to incorporate all the basic level subjects of contemporary technologies. Then artificial intelligence. So artificial intelligence is nothing but intelligent behavior in a machine. Okay. So like humanoid robots, Asimo, Sophia. Sophia recently took the citizenship of Saudi Arabia. And we can perform various concepts like searching, sorting, and various approximate inference through sampling, and we can use generative adversarial networks, natural language processing, machine and deep learning, neural networks, transfer learning, autoencoders, federated learning, explainable AI. These are the latest topics, Transfer learning, we know machine and deep learning. Now, the world is changing and the world is moving towards advanced topics of artificial intelligence like transfer learning, federated learning, explainable AI, generative AI. With generative AI, we can see tremendous applications in forthcoming. And I have started training on generative AI. I'm developing very real-time applications. And we can introduce this artificial intelligence subject for +1, +2 students. So in this generative AI, you can see the concepts like GANs, generative adversarial networks. How many of you know from first year baby how he looks, and 5 years baby, and 10 years boy, 15 years, 20, 20, 25, 30, like that. Over the period, the facial expressions are changing. So in order to develop such type of facial expression changes over the period, we are using generative adversarial networks, GANs. So recently in Japan, one of the scientists has developed that application. So from first year to 60 years, how we can see the facial changes over the period. By using generative adversarial networks, we are developing such type of applications. Then auto regressive models, transformers, and energy-based models. There are various deep generative models are there in generative AI. Then you can see like data mining. Data mining is nothing but extracting meaningful, interested patterns from the huge volume of data, like Walmart data, weather forecasting data, traffic data analysis, stock market, and health data, educational data, whatnot. So by using data mining techniques like classification, clustering, association rule mining. What is meant by classification? We are dividing into groups based on the label or target class. Like label is a gender. Based on the gender, we are classifying male versus female. So that is called classification by using decision tree, random forest, k nearest neighbor, support vector machine, etc. Then clustering. Clustering is nothing but I don't know label, but I don't know target class. I would like to classify the data based on the similarity measure. How do we calculate similarity measure? By using Euclidean distance. If you are having 2 points like x1, x2 and y1, y2, we are calculating Euclidean distance like square root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. So we can find the distance between one point to another point. So based on the similarity behavior, we are making a cluster, a group of objects that objects are having similar behavior. That is called clustering. By using k-means clustering, c-means clustering, fuzzy c-means clustering, density-based clustering, and agglomerative clustering, we can perform various applications. Then association rule mining is nothing but how strongly we are developing a relationship between two items. So by using rules, we are developing association between two items like Han and in this scenario, I would like to give one analogy which has happened in the year like 1990 to 2000. In between, in USA, Han and Camber, two scientists, what they have done, they have collected Walmart data, 10 years legacy data, 1990 to 2000, 10 years Walmart data they have collected, supermarket data, and they kept in the server, and they have applied pre-processing techniques like binning, box plot technique, some other filters they have applied, and they made it as information. It is suitable for now it is refined data. We can apply as input data for system, and they have applied association rule mining technique like a priori algorithm. They found two items are heavily sold out in that Walmart data. Usually, US people, they are outing with their children weekends, Saturday and Sunday. So they are purchasing two items are heavily sold out in the Walmart. So can anyone guess what are the two items are heavily sold out in that Walmart 10 years legacy data?
Yeah,
Any?
those were diapers and beers, because I have also read about that. So what will
Yeah, correct
happen?
answer.
Weekend
Fantastic answer. Yeah,
weekend time, so guys will like to, like, indulge into some drinking, and
yeah,
for them it's mandatory that they don't have to worry about diaper, like, any interruption.
yeah.
Because
Perfect answer, Ravi.
yeah,
Hats off to you. So surprisingly, two items are heavily sold out. Those items are diaper and beer. See how interesting. That means by using data mining, we are extracting meaningful, interested, and hidden patterns we are extracting by using classification, clustering, association rule mining, outlier detection, etc. So FP growth algorithm also one of the association rule mining, like frequent pattern mining algorithm. Then natural language processing. So we are talking in English for communicating each other. So like I would like to. So natural language processing is nothing but study of different languages, study of linguistics. In Indian languages, how many official languages are there in India? So some people are interested to do research on how do we can convert Hindi to Telugu, Telugu to Hindi, English to Hindi, English to Telugu, Tamil, Kannada, Malayalam very easily. There are various translators are available. By speech also we can convert. By text to speech, speech to text. Various applications we are performing under natural language processing. So here I would like to demonstrate 14 techniques are available, like tokenization and parts of speech tagging, named entity recognition, parsing, sentiment analysis, text classification, machine translation, word embeddings, language modeling, information retrieval, etc. Then you can see big data next version. Which data I can call it as a big data? Can anyone try to answer for this question? Which data I can call it as a big data? Any answer through chat box?
The data which is very high in mount and changing very high at a very high speed.
Yeah. You are trying, but not exactly the big data meaning like traditional systems are maybe system, server, and data center unable to process the data and compute the data, and it unable to execute the data. Such type of data is called big data. Nowadays, we are using cloud computing.
sorry,
Yeah.
sir. Can we, in the simple layman term, can we say that all the social media network data is the big data, like
Yeah,
the data which
fantastic,
are there in the
fantastic. Yeah.
Instagram,
Maybe
Facebook?
terabytes, maybe petabytes, hexabytes, okay, zettabytes of data. Yeah, fantastic answer. So usually traditional systems are unable to process the data. Such type of data is called big data. There are 7 types of challenges in big data, like volume, velocity, variety, veracity, value, validity, viscosity, etc. There are many V's are coming, but majorly 3 V's. Volume says that size of the data. What is the size of the data? Megabytes, terabytes, hexabytes, zettabytes, etc. Somebody is, see, they are using marker on the screen, sir. Who is that? So that is called volume, and variety is nothing but different types of files we are handling, like audio files, video files, text files, graphics, graphical files, and we can see flat files and SQL files, MySQL files, Teradata files, HTML files, XML file, what not, different file formats. That is it is a challenge again. That is called variety. And velocity, how speed you are uploading and downloading audio, video, text files. That means you are dealing with the legacy data or old data, real-time data, streaming data, etc. So these are the 3 V's, and there are various tools we are using here. Hadoop and Spark, very famous big data technologies. So I used to give training on Hadoop and Spark. Hadoop is a framework which integrates n number of tools are integrated. So front end I can use Java, and back end I can use Hive and HBase, and I can use a PIC programming also, very popular for streaming programming language. Then Spark is 100 times better than Hadoop because it deals with the real-time audio, video streaming data. And there are various algorithms and applications are available. Then artificial neural networks. So based on biological neuron, we are developing neuron like ANN. And there are various types of artificial neural networks. This is the base subject for machine and deep learning techniques. Here we can use a single layer perceptron, multi-layer perceptron, self-organizing maps, feed forward propagation, back propagation, etc. And machine learning, learning from the observational data by using supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning algorithms. Supervised learning is nothing but there is a label, there is a target class, we are classifying the data with the help of logistic regression, linear regression, nonlinear regression, and support vector machine, Bayesian networks, and linear discriminant analysis, random forest, etc. That comes under supervised learning. And unsupervised learning is, I have explained already, clustering. I don't know the data and what type of data it is. I don't know label, I don't know target class, but I would like to classify the data based on the similarity measure by using clustering techniques like k-means, fuzzy c-means, agglomerative clustering, dimensionality reduction, and hierarchical clustering, etc. Then reinforcement learning is nothing but reinforcement learning is nothing but based on the punishment and reward, we are solving various real-time applications. And these are the techniques like SARSA, DQN, DDPG, A3C, especially gaming applications we are developing by using machine learning and reinforcement learning. Then deep learning, this is extension of machine learning. So learning from the observational data with a deep manner by applying n number of input and hidden layers. And we are incorporating activation functions, dropout, and various hyperparameter tuning parameters. And we can see the major techniques like for if you are doing image processing, images, you can choose convolutional neural networks. If it is related to audio, video, text-based applications, we are going for recurrent neural networks. And similarly, long short-term memory networks, LSTM, and autoencoders. And the last subject, like augmented reality and virtual reality. So nowadays, this subject taking vital role in order to implement various kinds of applications, interaction design, rendering, spatial audio, presence, haptic feedback, content creation tools, and various head-mounted displays we are using under augmented and virtual reality. So far, under my data science research laboratory, we have executed various projects and implemented, and we have published like predictive policing, healthcare predictive analytics, educational data mining. Especially in educational data mining, we can use even generative AI, artificial intelligence tools and techniques in order to predict, analyze a student's data to predict dropouts, enhance personalized learning, and improve educational outcomes, etc. So by using these contemporary technologies, we can increase the quality levels in national and international wide. And we have executed a few more applications like urban planning and infrastructure optimization, environmental monitoring, and financial inclusion. Various applications we have implemented, like public sentiment analysis for policy making, water resource management, waste management optimization, cultural heritage preservation. And these are the various projects we have implemented, like healthcare cost regression using exploratory descriptive analysis. And we can see the face mask detection using deep learning. Like nearly 150 projects we have implemented under data science research laboratory. See here, 150 projects we have implemented so far. And this is the 150 projects. So see, very interesting question, all of you. How do we can find out our death date? See, very interesting question. So when is our death date? By using life to vector is a model. It utilizes that model, and based on the input parameters like biological data, lifestyle factors, and environmental influences to predict individual potential lifespan. So if I'm giving my input data like my age, my gender, my hobbies, and my extracurricular activities, my daily activities, what type of food I'm taking, what type of exercise I'm doing, all that parameters, if we are giving as input to the system, we can easily find out lifespan of a person. See, this is the input, biological data, date of birth, height, weight, lifestyle factors, genes. I have given my own data, my own input details I have given. And I got, I have executed in Python by using life to vector. And I executed, now see, we can find the, at least the year up to which year I can my lifespan will be. See, write a Python program to predict our lifespan by using life to vector. This is the program I have written, and defining a function of predict lifespan based on input data like biological data, date of birth, height, weight, lifestyle factors, genes, etc. Then see here, I'm predicting my lifespan of, I have given my own details. See, now I'm going to execute, see this application. Just for interesting purpose, I'm demonstrating. So my screen is visible. 1 second, I'm sharing.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir. Visible.
So yeah, so if you don't know Python, also very simple. Just to go to Google, type Python software. It is 23 MB file is there. Download it, install in Windows. Very simple. Once installed, you can check like this, Python. If you type Python, it will display the version, what version you are using, 3.12.2. So a small program, a Python can be executed in two ways. One is IDLE and one more is scripting way. Now I am executing IDLE, like write a Python program, simple program, write a Python program to perform addition. Okay. See, very simple. A is equal to 3, B is equal to 4, C is equal to A plus B. See, now you can see the result, C is equal to 7. So this program I am executing in IDLE, same program. If I would like to execute in a scripting way, I can write my own program and I can execute like notepad space add, suppose dynamic value. Suppose my file name is add dynamic, like C, addition of two numbers. My screen is visible. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Write a
Yes, sir.
Python
Screen is
program.
visible.
Yeah. Write a Python program to perform addition of two numbers using dynamic input. Very simple. I'm using variable called num1, num2, two variables, because I'm reading first number, enter the first number and enter the second number, and I'm calculating sum like num1 plus num2. Then I'm printing. So once program is saved, so you can do Control S, then execute like Python space add dynamic. See, now it is asking enter first digit 3 and the second digit 4, and I'm getting 7. So likewise, you can execute Python programming very simple. Now my aim of the program is I'm finding the death date, notepad space, see lifespan.py. So this is the program. Yeah, lifespan, see here. So lifespan, this is the program I have written. Already I have shown in the slides. So if you execute like this, it is going to display the, see, actual and the predicted lifespan, and the predicted lifespan. So it is giving 61 years. So based on the input data, it is giving 61 years, depends on that biological input data we are getting. See, this is one more interesting application. And one more, let me see. See now, one more application. Write a Python program.
Can you just run one more time? Can you just please run one more time? What is the number is coming?
Yeah. One second. So Python space lifespan. See now, randomly it is generating now 71 years. Depends on the input data.
Lifespan, right? This is just a random number printing between 16.
Yes. It's a random number printing. Yeah.
This is not prediction.
Yeah, prediction.
No, this is not prediction. This is not prediction.
Yeah. So, and one more application, very interesting application. Write a Python program to convert English language to Hindi or Telugu by using Google Trans. We can introduce this sort of applications for school level. Very simple program by using packages like Google Trans and libraries. Very simple application. So I'm taking as a English text as a hello, how are you? And I'm translating to Telugu. Already available this application for how to develop logic for this application in school level. If we can introduce 8th, 9th, 10th grade, they can do very easily Python programming sort of applications. And it translated hello, how are you to Telugu text. Now I'm running this application like see here. So clear the screen. So notepad space English to Telugu. English to Telugu. This is the program. And now I am executing Python space. See now, Hello, how are you? In English, I have given, and Telugu it is displayed. Hello, మీరు ఎలా ఉన్నారు? Hello, మీరు ఎలా ఉన్నారు? See? So same way, yeah, very interesting application. And the same manner, I am going to execute one more application like same. By using Google Trans library, write a Python program to convert English to Hindi. So I'm taking input as hello, how are you? I'm translating it to Hindi. So this sort of programs, if we introduce for school level, they will get interest in order to develop very good applications, and we can incorporate such type of syllabus in order to make quality education India and Sri Lanka, and in the international level we can introduce. Already Python programming is there, but we need to check how quality the syllabus curriculum they have developed. And see, this application also I'm executing. You can open the program, notepad space, English, so Hindi. So this is the program, write a Python program to demonstrate how to use the Google Trans library in Python to translate English text into Hindi language. Okay, so now Python space, English to Hindi. Now see, I'm taking input as hello, hello, how are you? Hindi, namaste, aap kaise hai? Namaste, aap kaise hai? Like that, we can do n number of languages which are presented in India. We can do various applications. Okay, so now these sort of applications. I have recently executed sort of applications at Galgotia University last week, and nearly 14 applications I have demonstrated. That video is available in that my YouTube channel is there, but this is not for money purpose I have created. Who are my students and my colleagues, my research scholars, if they want to listen those videos, I kept all these seminar videos, not for specifically created YouTube videos. No, whatever the seminars I have conducted last 4 years, nearly 175 videos I have created, and before that a few more videos. Total 250 videos are presented right now. If you are using mobile phone, please take 1 minute time just to go to Google, type my name, Dr. Asadi. You can type in, just open YouTube, type Dr. Asadi. 1 minute time, please. Asadi Srinivasulu, ASADI SRINIVASULU. Type and see the videos, see the channel, Dr. Asadi Srinivasulu. 248 videos are there. Please subscribe, and you can listen whenever you are finding the time. These are the videos I have created, and this video also, right now we are recording the video. That video also I'll keep once I get the link. So these are the videos. See, I have created various technologies, contemporary technologies like big data, cloud computing, ontology, and Internet of Things, blockchain technology, and cyber security, and various topics I have demonstrated with the practical sessions. In corporate training videos are also available. Please subscribe my channel. 60 members are there. 49 members are there. That's all. Then, so now I'm moving to next. This is the syllabus. we can incorporate this kind of syllabus by using artificial intelligence and data mining. We can create innovative syllabus and curriculum in schools, especially 6th class to 12th grade. And by using generative AI tools, latest tools we can generate. And yeah. And data science is powerful subject. If you want to learn, this is the prerequisite of data science. You need to have knowledge on statistics, like inferential statistics, descriptive statistics, and any one mathematics subject like linear algebra and calculus, programming knowledge like Excel, Python, R, SQL, etc. And this is my own chart I have created with my experience. So if you want to become a data scientist or a data analyst, so you can use the terminology like data. Data starts with raw material. Data may be audio, video, text, graphics, animation. Once we are processing the data, that is called information. Collection of interrelated data is called database. Collection of softwares in order to manage the database we are using. Relational database tools, non-relational database tools. Relational database tools like SQL, MySQL, Teradata, DB2, MS Access, etc. And non-relational database tools like Mongo database, Hive, HBase, Zookeeper, Woozy, Cassandra, etc. Database system is a combination of data plus DBMS. Data mart is nothing but subset of data warehousing. We are storing huge volume of data in a server, that is called data mart. And the collection of data marts is called data warehouse. Collection of data marts are online analytical processing, that is called a data warehouse. Once we are storing huge volume of data, we are doing data mining by using classification, clustering, association, rule mining, outlier detection. We are extracting meaningful, interested, knowledgeable data from the huge volume of data. Then we can see the big data. It deals with big data sets like volume, velocity, and variety. Then comes to the data science. Data science is the process of extracting insights from huge volume of data by applying statistical, AI, machine and deep learning techniques. So this is the prerequisite of data science. Can anyone give an answer for this question? What is the technical jargon of this image? What is the technical name of this image? Can anyone?
So your screen is stuck at
My screen is
fine.
stuck? Oh, sorry. Oh, I would like to share. Yeah, I thought now it is visible.
Yes, sir. Now it's visible.
Yes, sir.
Oh, sorry. Because the entire system I have to share. Okay. So what is the technical name of this image? Can anyone guess? Suppose DKIF. How do you can publicize about DKIF? Through pamphlets, through banners, through SMS, WhatsApp, Facebook. So how do we publicize? One more methodology. We'll explain this image. Can anyone guess what is the technical name of this image? What type of image? What is the name of this image? What is the technical name of this image? Okay, this is one type of word cloud. This is called a word cloud, which incorporates all the terminology like programming, algorithm, methods, knowledge, process, structure, system, everything we are incorporating about the data science. Then see, there are various applications I'm going to demonstrate, and we will discuss if you are having any doubts related to data science. I'm free to explain, and no hesitation. These are the concepts. There are various concepts are presented. and applications I'm going to show you. Like this is a syllabus of data science. These are the tools of data science. These are the top 10 data science softwares we are using. And these are the top 10 algorithms like linear regression, logistic regression, decision trees, naive Bayes, k nearest neighbor, support vector machine, k-means clustering, principal component analysis, neural networks, random forest, etc. And these are the various applications like image recognition, speech recognition, internet search, digital advertisements, recommender system, price comparison websites, gaming, delivery logistics, fraud and risk detection, etc. See, these are the programming languages. Why Python is in very big letters? Because now Python is leading in the market. Next, R programming, Java also there, competitors. Python is so popular because of rich number of libraries are presented. That is called packages. And why data science, very big companies like Amazon and Uber, Bank of America, Airbnb, why they are using? See, Amazon, why they are using? Improving e-commerce experience. See, they have their own business in Amazon, Flipkart. They are using data science and tools and techniques in order to increase their business. Then Uber. Why Uber is using? Optimizing rides. Bank of America, why they are using data science and data science tools and techniques? Increasing customer experience. Airbnb, why they are using data science? Improving searches. Like pharmaceutical industries and maintaining oil and gas supply, data science in biotechnology, data science in education, etc. There are various interested analytics, interested algorithms we can see. These are the data analytics using statistical methods. And these are the data analytics using AI techniques. Under AI, we can see all the techniques like genetic algorithm and generative adversarial networks, computer vision, soft computing techniques comes under AI. Then data analytics using data mining techniques, I have explained already, like classification, clustering, association rule mining, etc. Data mining techniques like anomaly detection, regression analysis, association learning, choice modeling, clustering analysis, rule induction, neural networks, classification analysis, etc. And data analytics using artificial neural networks like learning paradigms, learning algorithms, topologies. Then data analytics using machine learning. We have a number of machine learning algorithms like classification techniques and clustering techniques, dimension reduction, and reinforcement learning, etc. And data analytics using deep learning techniques like reinforcement learning and Q-learning, TD learning, gradient descent, Monte Carlo method, etc. So if you want to become a data scientist, you need to have knowledge on statistics, programming skills, machine learning, data management, communication skills, etc. So these are the 12 highly paying jobs. Like first job is industry data scientist, then machine learning, follows, say at last mobile developer. These are the 12 highly packaged jobs. Then these are the techniques, top 10 techniques we can use. And there are various challenges and the future of data science. We can see cyber security, healthcare, Internet of Things, customer engagement and experience, smart everything, human capital, data for societal good, etc. So you can see the problems in handling data, never-ending growth of data, increased demand for a data scientist, popularity of machine learning, emerging sources of data. So I'm concluding this data science. So we have seen various concepts, methodologies, and tools and valuable insights. And these are the 15 algorithms I have executed, like linear regression, logistic regression, decision tree, k nearest neighbor, naive Bayes, support vector machine, principal component analysis, a priori algorithm, neural networks, KNN algorithm, etc. So this is the first program. So like linear regression. So what is the aim of the linear regression? See, I'm taking input. So if students are studying 2 hours in x-axis, they are getting 60 marks. 3 hours if they are studying 70 marks. 4 hours they are studying 80 marks. 5 hours per day they are studying 90 marks, like that. So I'm using linear regression. So this is the program. See here, linear regression. I have taken x-axis and y-axis. I'm calculating slope and intercept values and make a prediction for a given number of hours studied. And we are predicting the test score and plot the data and regression line. So I have executed this program. See, I'll execute. Screen sharing has stopped as the shared window is closed. Sir, now my screen is visible, sir. Hello, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, it
Screen
is visible.
Yeah, notepad space LR, linear regression. So this is the program, write a Python program. So code for linear regression to predict students' marks within hours. See, I'm executing this program. So Python space LR.py, linear regression. So if you study 2 hours, see, this is the program. My screen is visible, madam?
Yes, sir. Screen is visible.
Graph is showing right now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is the program. We can execute like linear regression, predicted test score for 7 hours studied, 108 marks for 120 or 150. So likewise, we can execute a n number of programs. Likewise, non-linear regression now I have applied for same application. I have executed here. See, non-linear regression I have executed. Once again, I'm going to execute here. Notepad space non-linear regression. So this is the program, and Python space NLR.py. So I got, see, now I'm getting the result. Same way, logistic regression. Logistic. Suppose 1 means pass and 0 means fail. I'm taking x-axis and y-axis. I'm predicting the future values. And see here, I'm executing this program, LGR, linear regression. Notepad space logistic regression. So write a Python program to predict student marks within hours by using scikit-learn, that is a library. So if a student studies 2 hours, he fails, 3 hours, he fails, 4 hours fails, and 5 hours he studies pass. So because of true or false, 0 means fail, 1 means pass, by using logistic regression. So I'm executing that program, Python space LGR. So likewise, we can execute a number of applications in data science, including AI techniques, machine learning techniques. Okay, so I have executed a few more applications. See here, like support vector machine for iris application, and this is for k nearest neighbor application to predict iris. I mean synthetic data we have taken. Okay. And this is one more application like decision tree, and one more application, random forest. These all programs I kept in the presentation slides. If you want, I'm going to share with you. And clustering, I have executed k-means clustering. Then principal component analysis for especially in face recognition application. This is, I have explained, item set mining. Frequent item sets, diaper and beer application. So these are the frequent item sets. See here, support and item set. So which items are closely related? Bread and jam, like. Okay, this is very interesting application. And one more application I have executed, COVID-19 virus detection application. And this is one more application on Omicron virus data. Okay. And this is also one of the application by using recurrent neural networks on test data. These are the graphs I have generated. That's all from my side. Any queries from participants? 38 members are there. So we can discuss how these contemporary technologies are helpful in order to design curriculum for school education, especially 6th class to intermediate, I mean +1, +2. So with your query, I'm inviting any queries from the participants, how these technologies will help us to develop a quality curriculum. That is our aim. And Sudhakar sir also interested to develop such type of curriculum for students, and they are hosting very good international conference, and with the collaboration with the DKIF and preschool unit Department of Education, Western Province, Sri Lanka, and it is happening in soon. Any queries from the participants or any discussion? Muralidhar sir, Sudhakar sir.
Yeah,
Hello, sir.
it's yeah, Pratima, ma'am, please.
Good
Sir,
evening, sir.
Yeah. Good evening, madam.
sir, I have one
Sir.
query.
Yeah,
Okay,
sure.
firstly you, ma'am. Firstly, ma'am will ask.
एसोसिएशन रूल माइनिंग क्या होता है सर?
Madam, see, every week you are going to shop, suppose. Every week you are going to supermarket, and a few items are you are purchasing regularly. What are the items? Bread and jam, maybe milk and milk and biscuit.
Newspaper.
Yeah.
Yes.
So that means association rule mining is one of the technique in data mining. See, in supermarket, they are capturing your behavior. See, every week you are going to supermarket, you are taking few items are regular. That means
Yes.
without those items, you cannot survive in the home also. Like some vegetables you are purchasing every week. Some groceries you are purchasing. That means what are the items are you are purchasing? Those items are association, like bread and jam. Why that combination is so popular? Because we are eating as a human nature. We used to take bread and jam very breakfast. Usually, right now I am in Australia, so I'm unable to prepare idli and dosa. That's why I used to purchase every week bread and jam. Like those two items are frequent item set mining. So what business person in that supermarket, he is observing what are the items you are purchasing. Is capturing your behavior, is increasing those products. Like that, he is increasing his business. That is the use of association rule mining. Relationship between two items. Item set. Frequent item set mining. That is a business tactics, madam. Very good
Okay,
question.
sir. And advanced Python? What is your advanced
Yeah,
Python?
advanced Python, nothing but suppose if you want to develop school related applications or health related applications, we can use libraries, packages. In that advanced Python programming, we can see all libraries like NumPy, SciPy, Panda, Scikit-learn, sklearn, Matplotlib, Theano, PyTorch, Keras, TensorFlow, Pillow, etc. So advanced Python programming covers a real-time application with the real-time frameworks are available. These are the examples I have given. That is a programming language, madam, Python. Core Python programming, which covers all the basic concepts. Advanced Python programming, it covers with all libraries. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Any
Thank you.
queries?
Thank
Yeah. Very good question, madam. Maybe sorry.
Why, sir?
Because your background is, I don't know. That's why I have demonstrated how many people understood my lecture or not.
Yes, I know.
Oh, very good, madam.
Sir,
Yeah. Madam,
sir,
any queries?
yes, sir. Sir, my first question is, in one of your slides, you have shown that role of data sciences in this neural functioning in
Yes.
healthcare. So, sir, my query is there any hope of getting treatment in case of, sir, people with neural disorders or brain disorders like paralysis cases? So, is
Yes,
there
yes.
any hope for those kind of patients using this data science?
Yes, madam. Nowadays, telemedicine came and very drastic changes are happening in the medical field, especially by using neural networks concept, madam. Disorder kind of applications they are developing. All robots are entering to do surgeries. All robots are entering into to do various operations and for related mental related disorders. Yeah, there are a very good telemedicines came into the picture by using these concepts like neural networks, machine learning and deep learning and very good concepts, madam. Related applications. Still R&D is ongoing. Research and development is ongoing. Very good question.
Right, sir. Sir, my second question is, you have told about life to wake AI model,
Yes,
where we
that
can
is.
predict our
Yeah.
lifespan, sir.
Yes,
So,
yes.
have you conducted any authentic research, means established statistically significant data related to this model, so that we can also try to know our
Yeah,
lifespan and how much is it
yeah.
reliable?
For demo, very good question, madam. Very good question. I'm appreciating you. Actually, for demonstration purpose, I have taken that application randomly. It is generating, but I haven't tested real-time data so far. So there is a model called life to vector. Very good question. And that model you can use and you can work on synthetic data and real-time data or three standard repositories like www.ucirepository.com and kaggle.com and github.com. These are the repositories are giving standard data sets. If we apply this life to vector model, that model is nothing but simplified version of the reality. It predicts our death, death date by the way we are feeding the input data, like age, date of birth, our genes, and all the habits. I haven't tested real time so far. I'll do, madam. I'll test on real time data. Very good question.
Thank you,
Yeah.
sir.
Yeah, for a demonstration purpose, I'm showing. If you want, I'll give you that code and you can
Yes, sir.
extend
Please.
whatever, whatever
Yes.
model if you would like to develop and on synthetic data, real data, streaming data, audio data, video data, you can use as input and you can perform various applications, madam. Very good question.
Thank
Any
you.
other queries? 31 members are there. At least subscribe my channel, madam. Only 5 members you have done subscription of my channel. Dr. Asadi Srinivasulu, type in Google. Please subscribe. Sudhakar sir, any doubt?
No doubt, sir. I really thank you from bottom of my heart.
Thank you.
That I think that it must be around 11:30 or so, 12 p.m. 12 a.m. I think over there
Yeah.
in Australia, and
Yeah,
you
11.
kindly, you
No problem.
kindly
Sir, if any queries
agreed
with
upon.
them, please let them give time, sir.
No,
No problem.
So
I
I
don't
want to
think.
say
Sir.
thanks to
Yeah.
Asadi
Hello,
sir
Yeah, madam.
that he has given such a wonderful talk about this a new topic.
Yes,
Maybe
data.
it is not as new for you, but
Yes.
for us, the teachers and the education, it is entering now
Yes, madam.
in our curriculums and in our computer labs and
Yes,
AI labs.
Yes,
So
yes.
it was
Hello.
wonderful. And thank you
Okay.
very much. I'll subscribe your channel. Thank you,
Yeah.
sir. And